Hi guys, so I just have a quick haul video. Some things I found at Walmart, and then I did a little short video while I was walking through there because they're already putting out their Christmas baking stuff. And I was like, oh, I've never heard of this company. And then I went to TJ Maxx to look for a cocktail purse or something, evening purse. You know, I need something gold. I usually have silver things, and they had the same brand. And I was like, oh, that's funny because I'd never seen it. I think it's like CDC or CWC. I can't remember what it's called. We'll see. But I did pick up some things at Walmart and some things at Target. And then a Nuts.com order came in. It actually came in when the last time I did a haul of their stuff. I just didn't open that box for some reason. I guess I forgot. But with Nuts.com, I do have a referral link. So if you're interested, you can use that link. It'll give you $20 off of, I think, $40 or your first purchase. And I'll get the same as store credit there with Nuts.com. So not an affiliate link, but a referral link. So I'll have that in the description box for you guys. So let's just get right to it because honestly, I'm just going to wrap it up. It's Halloween. Still have to make little goodie bags. Literally, people that come to my door here because we have a cul-de-sac is maybe 6 kids. So I always make a nice goodie bag for them. But anyway, Walmart. So there was, many more things I would have bought, but I was like, okay, be good. Miranda has been loving her little Uncrustable sandwiches. I actually was going to do a short video on this one little tool I found at a grocery store, or maybe Walmart, I can't remember, to make just a regular Uncrustable, round. But she usually eats her whole sandwich, so I don't really encourage it because you can eat it. She doesn't mind having the crust on there, but they have these guys that are really cute. So, again, I guess they can be cocktail-y. They don't have to just be for little kids. But, it comes with everything. I didn't even notice that. Snowflake sweater, and then it has, what happens is, it's not two cookie cutters. The middle one does a little cinching like that, it pinches it. But look, it comes with cards. I didn't even see that. And picks, and all kinds of cute things for some reason, these little picks. So they have this one, and then this, I guess, cuts out a little Linzer look to it, if you wanted to have a little opening, I suppose. I don't know. They don't really have an example of that, but I thought they had it on this one. Maybe not. Nope, neither here nor there. Maybe it's to cut fruit. I have no idea. But it's like this. See, bow and light bulb. Interesting. But it's metal, so it can cut through whatever. And it has 2 light bulbs and 2 bow. This is weird. Anyway, cutter, sealer, and picks. I would say you can cut fruit with that. Because it even has the opening so you can pick it out, But anyway, we have the gingerbread shape and the Christmas tree shape. That's the ugly sweater and your snowflake. Little bag clips that are CWC, see, cooking or cook with color. The cutest stuff, you guys. Again, I don't know. I don't go too often to these stores because I, like TJ Maxx, because then I probably overshop. So they had some really cute things there too, though, in the kitchen area. So I got these little bag clips. So this one has the ugly sweaters, and these are all the little gingerbreads. And that's what they had. They had these 2 designs of this type of thing. They have spatulas and so many things that have to do with cookies and cookie cutters and sets, and this. It had this nice jar. It was like a cookie jar, glass jar. Really nice size. So if you see it online, maybe I can link some of these things actually because I do have an affiliate program with YouTube and Walmart. That maybe I can link these things. They'd be in here or however, maybe underneath the title. It had tons of cookie cutters, and they weren't little tiny ones. They were good sized cookie cutter, and it had I think a spatula and some kind of gingerbread man that was silicone, and I'm not sure what that was for. That's why I was I don't know. And it was only $8, so I was should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I was I already have enough things like that, so I left it there. But I'll probably order it, to be honest, or go back and get them. They're just putting these things out now. And then they have these guys that make ice, and then funny enough, it does say on there whiskey something or other, and they have 6 different shapes. But I just grabbed one snowman and one of the snowflakes, but they do have tons of different shapes. And basically, you just put your water in there because if you have an old fashioned, I don't know if you know about old fashions, you're just putting your little, sugar type thing, whatever it is that you like to do with that, a little squeeze of this, your whiskey, I guess, or I don't know, in there, and it's really nice. So I thought that was really cute. So I only grabbed 1 of each. Maybe I should get 2 of each because it's ice, But I have other ones that make ball shape ice, so I figured I don't need everything. So there's that, very cute. And then at Target, actually at Michael's, I forgot. I had picked this up the other day because when I went to get some other stuff from Miranda, these things are already 50% off, their fall stuff. So this makes a little pie, which is super cute. And I have things like this that have to do with actual pie makers, but it's fun to have that. Okay, Target. Oh my gosh. I try not to buy mugs because I have mugs like for days, right? And so whenever I bring some in, I try to get rid of other ones, but I think I'm at a point where I'm just done. But this is so cute because it's looking like a snack, and it's a little gingerbread man. The inside's green. They had a bunch of really cute and like punny cups, or like where something's in the inside, like just so many. So I just grabbed that one right quick. Look at this gingerbread man. Okay, so I have tons of gingerbread men cutters, and they're little different styles, or like the ones that do like karate things. But this is huge, and 8 5/8 inch by 7 1/8. That is so cute. I mean, the kids are gonna love decorating these if we do this. Now, obviously, that's gonna use a lot of gingerbread cookie dough, but that's okay. We always make tons of cookies, and we can share them, right? Like break them. They have a ton of these. This is actually a different brand. I thought it was actually Dash brand, but now look, it says So Yummy Bella. I guess Bella brand, I don't know. So Yummy Bella. That's what it says. That are exclusive to Target is what it said. Some of them, I don't know if this is one of them. You can scan that if you'd like. Let me see if I can get closer for you. But they had mini waffle makers, and some made like penguin shapes and like other shapes. If they had gingerbread man shape, I would have bought that. But this one makes individual like little dunkers, which I thought was cute. They also had a little mini like crock pot so you can heat something up, like maybe syrup or something, I don't know, chocolate or something to dip in, but I was like, I really wouldn't do that, so I didn't buy it. So Yummy Bella, this one makes a cut apart or tear apart like snowflake, so I thought that was really cute. I love cookers, you guys know that. Adorable. We'll see what their recipes are like. I think that's it, other than the nuts.com stuff. Guys, I'm just saying hi with this one because either I'm releasing this before Vegas or sorry, and I was trying to, you know, make another tutorial. I don't have the time. Like right now I'm crunched. I haven't even packed, like I haven't even thought about what I'm bringing. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay. Nuts.com. This is something the kids, you know, Neapolitan astronaut ice cream. When I was a kid and they were like however much money, and if you were lucky enough to get one, it was all crunched up. And I thought it was funny because look at the way they're wrapped. It looks like they're wrapped in parchment. There's 3 in here. Usually they're like in a plastic metal looking thing, so it's kind of, and they're fully intact, so I was like, wow. So that's why when I opened this, I thought I need to share it with you guys, because if you care about something like this, I'm surprised that they're intact. The kids are gonna love that. We always thought those were so fun. Organic coconut chips, unsweetened, because that's the kind of thing I like to bake with or make, you know, throw them in my peanut brittle, so I'm willing to try theirs. I think at the time, whenever you sign up with them, or like say you place an order, they start giving you like $10 off and like, oh, a free pound of a treat that you would like to choose from, you know. So I think this was free. It was just peanut butter filled pretzels. I was like, you know what, the kids like, we all like these. So I chose these for free. So that was nice. It's just peanut butter pretzels. Freeze-dried pears, which I love freeze-dried fruit, and a lot of times it's hard to find. So funny enough, in here it says serving size 0.4 of an ounce is almost 6 in here. It's only 40 calories, you guys, and that's why I like the pears, or like the Asian pears, if you can find those. I usually get those at Walmart or order them online because sometimes they're out in the store. And I mean, they're just so good because that's all it is. It's just freeze-dried the fruit, nothing else, nothing extra, and it's good stuff. These look just like the pears I normally eat, so very cool. I'm looking forward to those. Oh, there was some stuff in a bag like this, and I was like, oh, what is this? So it must have been something that was cold at the time, or that needed to keep cold. Not cold at the time. What I mean is it shouldn't melt, right? So they put it in this. It does have a freezer bag, or a reusable freeze bag. I got this stuff just to try it out. It is their fudge, and it was, as you can see, holiday. Supposedly they still make it fresh. I don't know. But red, white, and blue fudge, and I think it just has a vanilla flavor to it. So I'm willing to try that out. It feels very soft. I can feel that it's like soft, like moist. So that's cool. Oh, this is Monkey Munch. Things that obviously we can make them ourselves. Now this one does have a lot more calories. 16 servings, 1 ounce is 137 calories. But anyway, it looks really good and well coated, so I'm happy to have that. Of course, you can make your own. I think I've done it once or twice, and then I was like, is it worth the hassle? I don't know, because it is. You do need like some big things to get that coated and all that. The kids like to do it. White chocolate toffee cashews. I thought we should try those. Why not? Actually, I'll open this right now and try one for you, only because it is kind of a different thing. White chocolate. Let me see. Okay. I'm just getting the chocolate, the toffee. Not much cashew, so I have a feeling they're crunched up. I don't think it's wrapped around a cashew, but it looks like it is, unless that one was missing the cashew. Let's take another bite. Hold on. I'll be right back. Let me finish this bite. Oh no, it's in there. Those are just really soft, you know, so it doesn't, you don't get that crunch. I don't feel it. All right. Sorry, I wanted to finish that bite. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, I'll have the links as available. Have a great weekend. I will see you on the other side. Have a few videos ready to go. But other than that, I'll probably just do some little shorts here and there, like touristy videos. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.